In Flutter, AnimatedSwitcher is a widget that provides an easy way to animate the transition between two or more child widgets. It allows you to replace one widget with another while applying a smooth animation to the transition. To start a new project, add a center widget and create a stateful widget for its child. Name it AnimatedSwitcher widget. The AnimatedSwitcher widget automatically animates changes in its child widgets using a predefined animation, such as a fade or a scale animation. It detects when the child widget changes and applies the animation to smoothly transition between the old and new child widgets. Set the duration to 1 second and add the Transition Builder attribute. In Flutter, the Transition Builder is a callback function used by the AnimatedSwitcher widget to define the animated transition between two child widgets when the value of the AnimatedSwitcher changes. The Transition Builder function takes two arguments. 1. Widget child, the current child widget is being transitioned. 2. Animation double animation, the animation object that determines the current progress of the transition. The Transition Builder function should return a new widget that represents the current state of the transitioning child widget. This allows you to apply custom animations and effects to the transitioning child based on the animation value. In this example, we use the Transition Builder to create a scale transition using the Scale Transition widget. The scale property of the scale transition is controlled by the animation, allowing the child widget to smoothly scale in or out when transitioning. Remove this constant from here and add a constant in here for the duration. An icon is given as a child to the AnimatedSwitcher. Now add an elevated button and include animation on its on-pressed event. Wrap it with a column widget. Now add an elevated button and include animation on its on-pressed event. Create a bool variable. Check the condition here. If the variable is true, display this icon. If it is false, display another icon with a different color. Change the variable's value on press and update the text label accordingly. You can customize the transition by using different transition widgets, such as slide transition and fade transition, or even create your own custom transition by combining multiple animations. The Transition Builder provides flexibility to define various types of transitions based on the animation's value and create visually appealing effects when switching between child widgets in the AnimatedSwitcher. Thank you for watching.